ولقد يسرنا القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
We have made this Quran simple and clear for guidance. Who will step forward to receive its light? Dear learners, in the previous lesson on Arabic sentence structure, we discussed the nominative sentence, starting with a noun or pronoun. We learned that a nominative sentence consists of two parts, the subject and the predicate. The subject is usually a definite noun or a pronoun, while the predicate may be a noun or an adjective. When the predicate is indefinite, it is often marked with tanween. In this lesson, we will learn more about the predicate. The predicate can also consist of an adjective followed by a prepositional phrase, or it may consist of a prepositional phrase alone without any adjective. Dear learners, please watch this lesson until the end. First, we'll explore sentence structure, known as syntax. Then, we'll move on to word formation, known as morphology. So, stay patient, stay attentive, and let's begin.
الكتاب موجود.
Meaning, the book is present. Dear learners, the present auxiliaries is are, while future auxiliary will be have no substitute in Arabic language. These are understood with the context. Here, al-kitab is the subject while
موجود
is the predicate. Subject al-kitab is definite using al, while predicate
موجود
is indefinite taking tanween. Now we are adding a prepositional phrase to the predicate, making the sentence a little longer. This will be our today lesson.
الكتاب موجود في الحقيبة.
Here, fil hakibati, which means in the bag, is the prepositional phrase and the part of the predicate. Dear learners, prepositional phrase takes short vowel at the ending letter.
الرجل طبيب في المستشفى.
The person is a doctor in the hospital. Here is
الرجل
the subject while
طبيب
is predicate
في المستشفى.
is prepositional phrase and the part of predicate.
الولد نائم على السقف.
Meaning, the boy is asleep on the roof. Here the subject is
الولد
while the predicate is
نائم
while prepositional phrase
على السقف.
is the part of the predicate. In other words, the predicate consists of an adjective and prepositional phrase.
المسجد قريب من السوق.
Meaning, the mosque is near the market.
المسجد
Is subject.
قريب
Is predicate.
من السوق.
Is prepositional phrase and the part of the predicate.
الطالب سعيد بالنجاح.
Meaning, the student is happy with the result.
الطالب
Is the subject being definite.
سعيد بالنجاح.
Is the predicate, consisting of an adjective and a prepositional phrase.
رجل. رجل. سقف. سقف. نجاح. نجاح. نائم. نائم. مستشفى. مستشفى. سعيد. سعيد. طبيب. طبيب. هو قائم على كل نفس.
He is standing over every soul. Here the subject is hoa, while predicate is kaimun.
على كل نفس.
Is prepositional phrase and the part of the predicate.
هو خالد في النار.
He will be living in the fire. Hoa means he is a personal pronoun that is subject of the sentence. As the subject is definite, we add article al, substituting the to the initial letter of the word, but here you know the subject is made of a pronoun which is already definite. Therefore we don't need to add the article al to the subject word.
أنت على كل شيء شهيد.
As Quran is revealed in poetic style, the actual pattern is
أنت شهيد على كل شيء.
meaning, you are upon every or each soul a witness, or you are a witness upon every soul.
الله على كل شيء قدير.
The actual pattern is
الله قدير على كل شيء.
meaning, Allah is upon everything powerful, or Allah is powerful over each and everything.
الله غني عن العالمين.
Meaning, Allah is free of need from all the worlds. Dear learner, now we want to discuss a pattern called
فاعل.
This pattern mostly represents present participle or continuous, or it may represent an adjective.
هو نائم.
Made from the root
نون همزة ميم.
meaning, he is sleeping or asleep. Sleeping is the present participle or continuous, while asleep is adjective. Similarly, this pattern also represents intended future calling be going to pattern in English grammar. For example,
هو راجع غدا.
made from the root
راء جيم عين.
meaning, he is going to return tomorrow. Dear student, this pattern also represents someone's profession, or in grammar terminology, it might represent a subjective noun. For example,
أنا كاتب.
made from the root
كاف تاء باء.
meaning, I am a writer. Now we are going towards the last discussion, which titles as nominative sentence with prepositional phrase alone. Dear learners, nominal sentence can be formed with prepositional phrase alone without any adjective or noun.
الكتاب في الحقيبة.
Meaning, the book is in the bag. Here, al-kitab is the subject of the sentence, therefore it is definite carrying the definite article, al.
في الحقيبة.
Is the predicate made of a prepositional phrase taking a short vowel at the end of the letter.
الولد على السقف.
Meaning, the boy is on the roof. Dear learners, you know the prepositional phrase takes short vowel at the ending letter. It is the predicate.
هو في البيت.
He is in the house.
الرجل في السوق.
The man is in the market. Dear learners, the red underlined words are the subject, where the black underlined words are the prepositional phrase and the predicate of the sentence.